guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I create a consistent greeting card range from start to finish. Let's get started. I normally start off with some loose thumbnailing, and this is just getting my initial ideas out just so I can then start planning and piecing together my full range. It's really important that you do start thinking about a range early on, because there's a common mistake I see a lot of people doing is they'll create individual cards and then at the end they'll try and force them together and they don't quite work. So once I have my sketches and my initial thumbnails and I'm quite happy with them, I'll then move these into 9 thumbnails. So this is kind of my overview of how I want my range to look. Think in ranges and not individual cards. The reason why I say this is because I've had quite a lot of experience working with different companies and different clients who have asked for 9 to 12 greeting cards as a range. You're much more likely to get noticed as a greeting card designer, as well as be approached by those big companies to get stocked in shops. Once I finish my sketches, I'll then choose one thumbnail and put it into a new canvas. This way I can then start to refine the illustration, I can start getting the line work as neat as possible, so when I do add colour it's a lot easier. I'll just keep adding, taking things away and just kind of still having to play around with it until I'm happy. I use Pinterest, Instagram and just do a lot of research on colours that I like. You can make mood boards or you can make your own palettes, which I have a video on if you'd be interested to watch that, and just how to create a minimal colour palette. Once I'm happy with that, I'll then put it into another canvas, make it smaller and put it next to other designs that I've already done, and I'll just play around with the colour to see what's working. So it doesn't always have to be the same colour. As you can see here, I've got some orange and green that I think complements the pink and blue quite well. And then I've just tried to tie in each design with different elements. After I've done that, I've used a green background on the bridesmaid card and I'm not really happy with that. So I just go back and I change the background and then I check back with my thumbnails just to see if it's still working as a range. So that's kind of my work process, is constantly checking back to make sure that the colours are working before I carry on with the colouring. So then I add more and more of the cards and I just repeat until I'm happy with how things are looking, and I can always change the colours where I feel works best. I hope that's helped you guys just to see my process and how I start from my sketching all the way down to finalising, but also checking in to make sure that it's consistent within a range. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. I also would love to know what you guys want to see from me next, so leave a comment below. Maybe tell me what you're struggling with and I can see if I can make a video to help you guys out. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!